One of the claims often raised is that all the companions unanimously agreed upon the Caliphate of Abu Bakr after the Prophet's passing. Yet, a closer look at reliable historical sources shows that this claim is not accurate. According to al-Tabari, the Ansar gathered in the Saqifah of Banu Saidah and proposed Sa'd ibn Ubada as their leader. At that point, Abu Bakr and Umar entered, and a dispute broke out between the Muhajirin and the Ansar. Sahih al-Bukhari, quoting Umar himself, reports, "The Ansar opposed us, and so did Ali and al-Zubayr and those with them." This clearly indicates that there was no unanimous consensus. Many prominent companions, including Imam Ali, members of Banu Hashim, Salman al-Farsi, Abu Dharr, al-Miqdad, and even Sa'd ibn Ubada, either withheld their pledge or delayed it. In fact, Umar later admitted that the pledge at Saqifah was a Falatah, a rushed and unconsulted matter. Even Sunni scholars have stated that the establishment of the Caliphate does not depend on unanimous agreement. A single endorsement from the people of influence was considered sufficient. Thus, the very claim that consensus is the decisive authority has no firm foundation. In the school of Ahl al-Bayt, however, the imamate is a divine and textual designation affirmed by well-known traditions such as the Hadith of Ghadir, the Hadith of Manzila, and the Hadith of Thaqalain. Therefore, no human consensus can override or replace a divine appointment. The conclusion is clear. Historically, there was no true consensus, and theologically, consensus cannot bestow legitimacy. The truth remains exactly as the Prophet declared at Ghadir: "Whoever I am his master, Ali is his master."